Welcome back, everyone. Millions of Americans are filing their tax returns ahead of next Monday's deadline. But tax season can also be an opportunity for scammers to take your hard-earned money. Melanie McGovern is the Director of Public Relations and Social Media for the Better Business Bureau. She's here with some much-needed advice on how to spot a scam. Good morning, Melanie.
Good morning.
The IRS says Americans lost $5.7 billion to tax scams. That was just in 2022 alone. That number, Melanie, as you know, is incredible to me. A lot of us think this is a problem that mostly affects older Americans, but we're learning that's not the case.
Younger adults are reporting more scams, more losses to BBB Scam Tracker and the Federal Trade Commission now more than ever. And we know during tax season, people will get emails saying you need to confirm your bank account for your direct deposit. The scammers are using text messages. We know those get opened all the time. People are using websites they're unfamiliar with, putting in all of their personal information. It's really important to be vigilant, especially when it comes to your taxes. It's your social security number, your address, your name, all of that personal information. You want to make sure you're using a reputable source before you put any of that info into any computer or phone.
Yeah, to your point, Americans are actually 34% more likely to fall victim to fraud. Any other advice, especially for that younger age group that considers themselves pretty savvy, especially when it comes to tech?
Well, they grew up with the internet. They're not as skeptical as some of us who are a little older are. So they're not thinking this could be fake. They're looking at, oh, what a great price, or this is quick shipping, things like that, especially with online purchase scams. You know, the data that comes into our scam tracker shows that younger adults lose an average of $200 per transaction, where everybody else it's around $71, $80. So it's really important to take that extra step, do that due diligence, look the website up, look it up at bbb.org. Is it a reputable business, or is the business profile filled with warnings from BBB that this is not a reputable business, this is not a real website, you know, spend your money elsewhere, you know, make sure that you're checking before you put in your information.
What about the people who have gotten scammed? What can they do? What recourse do they have?
Well, you can, if you used a credit card, you know, reach out to your credit card company, see if there's anything you can do on that end. Report it, report it, report it. Even if you didn't lose money, it's really important to report the scam to BBB Scam Tracker. We give that data to the Federal Trade Commission's Consumer Sentinel. So you want to make sure that you're reporting it to us. If you feel that you've been scammed through taxes, let the IRS know. That's really important as well. We've seen a lot of people have tax returns filed by scammers for them. Then they go to file their tax return and the IRS is like, no, you already filed your return and got your refund. So making sure you're keeping track of all of your personal data, what websites you're using, where you're making purchases, really important to make sure that you don't get scammed in the end.
Something I was surprised by is the IRS says nearly 1 million unclaimed refunds from 2020 are about to expire. You urge caution when checking on that. Why?
We know that scammers love to send phishing emails, especially if it's something that piques your attention, like you have money waiting. Oh, okay, I'll give you my information. You know, watch out for those fake emails. Make sure you're using the real IRS website, irs.gov, and you're not putting in all your information, because remember, the IRS has your information. You don't need to give them your social security number, your checking account number, your credit card number, things like that. So make sure you're not giving all of your information to a fraudulent website.
Melanie, I have about 30 seconds left, but you say do your due diligence, do your research. I'm assuming a lot of people do that and still get scammed. What else should we know?
A lot of these fake websites look so real. Watch that URL. Make sure it's exactly as it should be. There's a thing called typo squatting, where if it's an I instead of an L, a 0 instead of an O, make sure you're taking a really good look at that before you type anything in.
Okay.
Yep, that's definitely the biggest one.
Well,
and if you get an email that you didn't sign up for and it says file your taxes here, be really skeptical about that.
Be skeptical, do your research. Great advice. Melanie McGovern, thank you so much, Melanie. Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.